In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Airbnb app login issues. So if you're trying to log into your Airbnb account but you're not being able to do it, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. But sometimes the problem might be incorrect credentials too. In that case, what you have to do is go to the login interface of Airbnb. After you do that, try entering the correct credentials. After that, your problem should be solved. But if still your problem is not solved, what you can do is try resetting your password. Tap on this option, forgot password, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll have to enter your email address over here. Simply provide your email address. Now tap on this option, send reset link, that you can see on the screen. Now a reset link will be sent to your email. What you have to do is open the email and find that link. Follow through the prompts in order to reset your password. Now try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. But still, if you're facing the login issues, what you can do is simply try updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Now what you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Airbnb. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Airbnb and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Now find the application for Airbnb and long press on it. Tap on this option, app info, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of Airbnb. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, storage and cache, that you can see on the screen. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now the cache of this particular application will be cleared. Try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. But sometimes the problem might be with the application itself. So in that case, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. Long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find the option for restart over here. Tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be restarted. After that, try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. So that is how you fix Airbnb app login issues. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.